The pocket knife that looks unique and feels solid in your hand. Check this out. This is the purple dragon folding pocket knife, and the first thing you will notice the blue and gold finish. Look at the design. So cool. I like the design. Look at it. Is definitely stand out from the ordinary pocket knife. Look at this. Blade is made from the tooth steel, which is known for its strength and edge retention. Look at. Okay, let's open the blade. It's opening like that. Look at here. The blade is sharp. You can use like opening box, cutting rope, and other outdoor jobs. Okay, it look like that. Let me show you like that. Let's cut some apple. Okay. Or look at how it's sharp. Look, it's cutting easily. It's a perfect. Also, it's lock here. Look, it's not goes. It's not goes. It's lock. You want to open. You should touch here. Look at here. Here. Close. Let's open. It's lock. If you want to open, just here, push and close. So look, it's easy to handle. Look at this is not so heavy. It's just around 250 grams. It feels solid and sturdy in your hand. Look at the shape is good. Look at the shape. It's fitting my hand. For carrying, okay, here you can carry. Let me show you. Okay, you can carry like that. There is a here also lanyard hole. Look at, you can put some lanyard and carry like that, whatever you want. This knife works well for camping, hiking, workshop projects, everyday carry, fishing, and general outdoor use. It's good for actually the camping. I'm going to use when I go to camping. Look at the design, so good. Also, it comes with like that gift box. You can give. It's a nice gift. Someone who enjoy knives, tools, or outdoor gear. Look at dragon, proper dragon. Look at. Box is the box looking so nice. Look at it. If you are looking folding knife that combines style, durability, and everyday useful, this is a great choice. Thank you for watching.